In this video, I'll explain how to complete the competitive strength assessment using the Excel template provided in Moodle. We'll walk through both the simple average and the weighted average methods and use a drive-thru coffee shop as our example. The purpose of this assessment is not to guess or inflate scores. It's to systematically compare your business against competitors and identify meaningful differentiation. In other words, why customers would choose you. You must use the Excel template provided in Moodle. Always place your business in the first column, followed by 2 to 4 primary competitors. You do not need to fill every column. Down the left side are key success factors. These are examples. You should interpret or adjust them so they make sense for your industry. For a drive-thru coffee shop, some factors need translation. Manufacturing capability becomes drink consistency and speed. Distribution becomes location convenience. Technology includes mobile ordering and contactless payment. Each business is rated from 1 to 10. 10s should be rare. If everyone gets an 8 or 9, the assessment loses value. Ratings must be defensible. You must be able to explain your ratings using evidence, such as pricing, review patterns, service speed, product options, or location convenience. Perfect data isn't required, but logical reasoning is. The simple average method treats all success factors as equally important. Excel calculates an overall strength score based on straight averages. Use the simple average when customer priorities are fairly balanced or when you want a high-level comparison without emphasizing specific factors. The weighted average method recognizes that not all factors matter equally. You assign weights based on customer importance, and the weights must add up to 1.0. In a drive-thru coffee business, speed and consistency often matter more than financial resources. That's why those factors receive higher weights. Use the weighted method when some factors clearly matter more than others. This approach usually produces stronger strategic insight as long as your weights are justified. The numbers alone don't tell the story. Look for patterns, gaps, and whether your strengths align with high-importance factors. Your written summary should explain what differentiates your business, why that difference matters to customers, and how you arrived at your ratings. This is the kind of conclusion you're aiming for: clear, evidence-based, and customer-focused. Use the Excel worksheet from Moodle. Choose either the simple or weighted approach, and support your analysis with reasoning. This assessment is about strategic thinking, not optimism.